I am going to show how to demote 2003 server from the domain. I have virtual server installed on my system that today I am going to demote it. These are the 4 set of servers which I am having in my environment. This server I am going to demote. What all we require to demote is first thing is server should be in domain as DC promo. We'll do the DC promo, and we must know that this should be not the last server of the domain, means it should be not on root domain. So this is easy one, and it is asking for restore password that will be assigned to administrator account. Once it is demoted from the domain, you will not able to log in using AD credential, so you will require something like local admin password. This local admin password you can keep it here. I am keeping simple password that must be in complex in nature, because group policy, since it is domain controller, and group policy will be there. And now it started demoting from the domain controller. It will not take much of the time, but it should. One of the things is that net logon service should be in started mode when we are doing demotion of the service, else it will fail. DC promo will fail at that time. So since you can see here right now it is trying to stop net logon service, but before net logon service it tried to use net logon service. So if it is in stopped state, then your DC promo will definitely fail. It's simple thing in 2003, nothing much complex. It will do all automatically, and then we will start the promotion of DC promo in 2012. That's on next lesson. This will be the simple one, and please do share your views and review. It's simple and automatic in 2003. Do write a feedback about the lab, everything, the speed, performance, and what should I not upload, so that in future we can fix the problem. And one of the basic thing while demoting is, remember that you must provide a local admin password. That's a mandatory thing, and since right now there will be no provision to give the local admin account, so in case of basic, right now you can see there will be no option to create an account also. But once this machine is rebooted, it will be out of domain, so you need to make sure that before restarting must check the restart now. Since it is VM, it is not going to take much of the time. And let me log on to the parent domain controller, and it is VM, so control all insert will work. Now here in the list of domain controller it is there. So once it is back, what I can do, I can click manage, and here I can give the username and account if it is not accessible, since it should be on network. That's the mandatory thing. Now it is coming up, and VM, that's the benefit of VM. Having VM is it too fast for booting up, so it is not going to take much of the time. The physical machine have a lot of time to boot, reboot, and ILO connectivity, everything. Virtual machine just connect to virtual center, and it's now. If I know the password, then I am able to log in. If I don't know, still there will be one option that I will show you, because it restored to its local administrator. But here that password we provided while it asked for restarting, but here is the option, still you can so right, this is how you can demote the machine from domain. Now it's logged on to log, and you can use netdom command. Now netdom will not work. Okay, thank you.